I'm Sarah Ormrod. I'm Director of International Programmes and I'm also the Programme Director for the 3 terms of the Interdisciplinary Summer Programme. These 3 terms are essentially the direct descendants of the original programme we set up in 1923. That first programme drew together different disciplines, language, literature, British institutions and music. Our curriculum now is very different, but the idea of offering the chance to study different subjects side by side is still fundamental to this programme. It's the programme which offers the greatest diversity of subjects. There are over 60 different courses. Each term is 2 weeks. Some people come for 4 weeks or 6 weeks altogether. You can take either 2 or 3 courses each term and the cost is the same. We find this programme works really well for those who've not yet decided on their major or what subjects they might want to study in their next degree. It's a safe way to find out something completely new. So you could, for instance, take 2 history courses, the English Renaissance and the Civil War, that's the English one in the middle of the 17th century, and then take a course on the Scientific Revolution as your 3rd option. Or you could take 1 art history course, such as Women Painters, 1 literature course, great short stories, and 1 on Roman China. You can also study international politics in a global age, essentially a programme within a programme and hugely popular over the years. It's team taught so that we get experts on all different countries, and that meets 3 times a day for 2 weeks, or 4 weeks, or 6 weeks. Many taking part in this programme are keen to earn credit towards their home degree. This is usually easy to arrange. You don't have to write papers for every course you take, so you can balance your time. Because there are so many different courses, you'll meet people with diverse interests and backgrounds. Friends with completely different majors can study at the same time and live in the same college. This programme attracts a high proportion of current undergraduates, but we have representatives of every age group and many different nationalities.
I'm studying business and finance, so the course I took wasn't really related. I just wanted to take something else and to have my mind in another field than what I usually study. So that's why I took Intro to Psychology, for example, just to have a bit of understanding of the brain, how that works. Also, I'm a huge fan of mathematics, so the history of science was very helpful in understanding how all these theories and how everything has evolved into what we have today. Also the social side, from meeting all of these different people from all around the world, has just been amazing. People from Italy, Spain, Belgium, all around the world. It's been great fun.
The lectures and the tutorials are very interactive. You have a lot of group discussions.
There's a deal of critical analysis in the lectures as well, which I really like, because that was one of the skills I was hoping to try and develop whilst I was here. But then, of course, there's an opportunity to debate and to think.
A hugely important part of this programme is the morning plenary lecture series. We get in speakers on all sorts of subjects. Our theme this year is Ideas and Influence. So there will be talks on making the most of ideas in manufacturing, about the influence of Japanese picture scrolls on manga, about the influences on language, the influence of different historical leaders, artists and writers, the impact of climate change on our future, all sorts of interpretations. If you listen to our students in the videos talking about these plenaries, you'll find these were often the unexpected bonus of their stay, on topics they knew nothing about, but in the end they found these were some of the most memorable and influential talks.
We are taking 3 classes each, and of course every day there's 2 plenaries, as they're said here. So we get set classes to learn from. 1 we take together, so every day we have a lot of conversation about that, and then 2 we're taking independently, and we're telling each other all about that, and which professors we like, and what we're learning, and what we're arguing about. And then the plenaries, which are sometimes on subjects that we think, oh, that sounds good, and sometimes on subjects we're kind of, really? I don't know. But we've enjoyed it all.
So, if you want a fast-paced, varied and exciting experience, sign up for the Interdisciplinary Summer Programme. We think you'll find it rewarding.